The lifting capacity of this crane is 1,600 tons.
I believe this is one of the biggest cranes used in KL. For TRX, we have South Parcel and North Parcel. North Parcel is the international financial district, while South Parcel is another smaller parcel. Because the parcels are separated by Jalan Sultan Ismail, Smart Tunnel, and another 2 slip roads. So we need to connect with the bridge, which is called North-South Bridge.
We leave the trusses to connect the bridge from the north to the south pier.
The truss is about 70 meters long, and each truss weighs about 220 tons.
For such operation, the common lifting method is by having 2 cranes to conduct tandem lifting.
You can do it with a 400-ton crane. But in our situation, we can't do that. We have to avoid the common roundabout flyovers and then the smart tunnel.
Due to the site constraint and limited access, the DMAX CC8800-1 was actually selected to conduct this lift as a single unit crane.
Okay, before we transport this crane, we already done some foundation works to support this 1,600-ton crane. This foundation was made with the reinforced concrete piles. The depth of these piles was around 10 meters to 20 meters. Once the foundation done, we transport the crane in.
Logistic-wise, the crane is transported here by using 52 units of trailers.
It's transport in sequence because such a big crane, we don't have enough moving area to assemble it if it's misplaced.
It's assembled on the site. Yes.
For us to do this launching, due to safety purpose, we have to close the Kampung Pandan flyover and smart tunnel, both sides, in and out. We need to close 6 roads and we need to do major traffic diversion. Okay, the reason we're doing at night and on the weekend is because we want to minimize the interruption to traffic users.
Kerja saya operator kren je. Saya dah mandu kren ni selama 19 tahun. Ini yang kren yang paling besar saya pernah operate. Kita cuma nak mengangkat truss ni lah.
When we start the lifting, first we lift the steel truss 1 meter off the ground. We'll hold it for 30 minutes to make sure all the connection of the steel truss is in place properly and also to make sure the lifting gears are working perfectly.
The riggers have to hold the tag lines to ensure the truss are stabilized before the lift. The crane acts as an equilibrium between the truss and the counterweights. So when both are actually balanced, the crane will actually rotate the truss.
Bila kita dapat arahan daripada kita punya superintendent, dia beri arahan untuk ke kiri atau ke kanan.
Then we lift it up higher than the abutment. Then we will swing it to the correct alignment.
Yang akhir sekali diturunkan di tempat yang disediakan lah.
The crane will actually set the truss to the final position across the smart tunnel and highway.
So we lay 4 steel truss and then we have bracing in between all the steel truss. And then we'll follow with the roadworks. The bridge is vehicular and pedestrian friendly. Once complete with this bridge, both south and north can enjoy the seamless connectivity.